Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are good. And are you all taking healthy food and drinking more water? You should drink more water to be healthy. Okay, now moving to the next lesson, water and weather. What are the different states of water? Water exists in three states. One is the ice, and then water, and then water vapor. See children, when you have taken ice tray from fridge and keep it aside for few minutes, will it remain as it is? No. After some time, it melts and turns into water, changes into water. And this water, when heated, you'll find the steam, water vapor coming out of it. Water vapor, or we can say it as steam. Okay. That means water when ice when melts, it turns into water. Water when heated, it turns into water vapor. This water vapor when cooled, again it turns into water. And this water when kept in freeze, again it turns into ice. That means it is changing from ice to water when melting, and again water to water vapor while boiling. This ice format we call it as solid state, and water we call it as a liquid state, and water vapor or steam we call that one as gas state. Okay, here how this is existing in the three states, even in nature also it happens. Okay children, but don't do this experiment in the absence of your parents. Okay, and even this changes happens in the nature. Shall we look after that? What is that? It is nothing but the water cycle. Okay, due to the sun's heat, you can find here sun, right? Due to the sun's heat, water from the rivers, lakes, and even from the plants, the water, due to the sun's heat, water vapor rises up in the sky. Okay, and this water vapor when combined with the cool air forms as tiny droplets, and these droplets combine together, cling together. Cling means this combine together and form as clouds. These clouds when cooled further, these tiny droplets becomes heavier and fall as rain. This rainwater is again collected in rivers and lakes and gets evaporated with the sun's heat and forms as clouds, and these clouds again further cooled, these tiny droplets become bigger and heavier and fall as rain. That means this is happening like a cycle, isn't it? Due to the sun's heat, it is getting evaporated, cools down and fall as rain, and rainwater is again heated up due to the sun's heat. This cycle of change of water, we call it as water cycle. Is it clear children about the water cycle? See, in the previous slide, we have looked after the ice turning into water, and water when heated it turns into water vapor. Water vapor when cools again turns into water, isn't it? Even here also you can find in the same way. This happens in the nature, right? Due to the sun's heat, water gets evaporated, forms as water vapor. Water vapor mixed with the cool air and forms a tiny droplets. These droplets combine together and form as clouds. These clouds again they cling together, becomes heavier. That means the drops when combined together becomes heavier, unable to control that. Then fall as rain. Again rainwater is collected. So this cycle of change of water is called water cycle. Is it clear children? Now in the next class we'll learn what are the things that affects the weather. Okay, thank you.